Hello friends, welcome back to your favorite channel where you always learn something. Nasi tikuenderera mberi with our Excel learning. Today we want to focus more on the tips and tricks in Excel. I hope you've invited your friends, colleagues and family to come and learn something here. Okay, let's get started. Today we want to start by the first trick, which is the saving trick. We've been adding data, we've been editing our Excel sheet, but tanga tisiri kuseva document redu, meaning kana document redu rikadzimika tikari close, we are going to lose all the information yatanga tichiisa. Or let's say your laptop or your computer yet switched off unplanned, then you're going to lose all your data. So to save your data, tunoenda pa first tab, this tab file. Then you click and you go pakanze save as, because you are going to save for the first time and you are going to give a name to your worksheet. So you click save as and then you click pakanze browse. While click a browse, you select from this side, the left side, the folder or the place where you want to save your document. In this case, I want to save my document under desktop. Then I give my document a name. In this case, Tukuri kuti grade 1 sheet, and then I click save. Now our sheet has been saved. So katika editor document redu, or if we add more data, we have to only come here, and now this time we click save. At chat save as, we just click save. This is the first trick. Please remember to save your work kuitira kuti usarasa work yako as you edit or as you add on more information. Let's move on to the next trick. The next trick is, I want you to look at the document. See, I'm scrolling up, down, but look what is happening. This column irikubva disappear, but this is our heading. Imagine unima records akawanda like 1000 records and you've been scrolling. Waakunoka uchaziva kuti this column inei, this column contains what, this column is what. So we have got this trick or a tip I want you kuti mudzidzisi varanhasi inonzi freeze pane, so that we only freeze this first row of our document, so that if patinoita scroll up and down, we still have to know kuti column A is name, column B is surname. Tinozviita sei? We simply come pakanzi view. Waya pakanzi view wakaselected the row yacho, then you come pakanzi freeze pane. Then wasvika pakanzi freeze pane, you come pakanzi freeze top row. Let's just assume taenda pakanzi freeze pane. I want you to see something here. Look, freezer all the pens akanyorwa asina ndo andisina kufreeze. Let's say you come pakanzi freeze column. Look, the first column yasara. So in the event that uda kuzova maybe sheet redu rakakura, column EV ine some information, but uda kuziva kuti information is under student ani, then you know, oh, okay, information is under student name. Now let's move on to the business today. Isusu tikuda kufreeza only the first pen. So tatichi, we select, then we come back on the freeze pane and you click freeze top row. So see, you see, now the top row rakastop. Zvichireva izvo kuti even if ukava ne1,000,000 records, you can still know kuti record riri row number 2000 under address is address, or is the month, or is the fees paid, or is the date of birth. Guys, congratulations, Munecha Madzidza, for this time. Okay, let's move on with our tricks and tips. Now we want to do the insert. We can insert columns. Tatopeta document like in this case, let's just insert another column here. And then you just select the column, you right click and you click insert. You see, we have got a column added here. We can also delete at other column E. We delete. Tine another way of also inserting. We select, we come here, vacant insert. We click what do we want to insert. Do you want to insert a cell? Do you want to insert a sheet of columns, or we want to insert the whole sheet? But in this case, we want to insert a sheet column. Let's just give it a name. Let's just assume it's the student number. The student number. This is our column name, student number. Katide the trick yatakaita here, yekuti tuone the full name of our column. Now this is the student number. We want to give the numbers or the student numbers to each student. The student number shall be unique for every student. Let's just say student ID 01. This is the first student. Second student is student ID 02. But let's assume we need vana vako 200 in class or grade 1. So are you going to write them student number 1 up to the last student? Guys, no, you don't do that. Excel has got a very nice trick to add more numbers. You just need to select. Select Excel yakutoza kuti there is a sequence iri kutorwa. Then you come panapa pakona panapa pane ka plus sign ak ka cross ak. You left click, you drag up until to the last student. You see, you have a two page. It's another trick just to save your time. Rather choose right student ID number 13, number 14 up to number 200. No, we don't do that. Let's just format paint, we check the settings, we apply them to our first column. This is the trick here. I just assume you're still remembering it. Let's move on to the next tip and trick. This is the tricky. Let's just filter. We can use the filters. I think Takama did the filters. How do you filter our data? Come here, we select to filter. You see, we are keeping on applying. Even if we apply a filter, we can still scroll up and down and our headings are still visible. Now we want to do the rules. We want to add the rules or the rules to our data. Maths, English, Agriculture, and Heritage. These are the exams akanyurwa nevana. We want to put rules. Kutizo kuti uyu mwana uyu akapasa, uyu akafoira, uyu akaita sei. So we come, we select the column we want to apply the rule, and then we come here, we highlight the rule, highlight cell rules. Do you want greater than, less than, between, equal, text that contains a date occurring, duplicate values? In this case, we want less than. So these are marks. Usually we say someone got less than 50, a fail. So less than 50, format cells that are less than 50 with, let's just say, the red text. Then we click OK. Oh, see. all the figures are less than 50 are now in red. So by just seeing, you see, this student akafela, uyakafela, uyakafela. Then we can as well apply the same rule to all these columns. We select them all, conditional formatting, highlight the cell rule, less than, we still apply 50, and then what do you want to do? We want to highlight with red, and then we click OK. See, and then we see agriculture, vana vese vakapasa. We can use togona kufilter. You can filter here, mates, filter by color, filter by red, or we can sort kuti vakafoira vese ngavaende pavo vega. You see, tatofilter kuti vakafoira pamusoro vakapasa pasi by just filtering. We can just undo. Tadzokera patatira, just click this undo. Okay, let's just assume taedera umwe mwana, our student number, student ID 14, the name is Maria, surname Chumuti, grade 1, blue, date of birth 010 June 2016, gender, address, number 12, Musau Road, Harare. She paid the full fees of 250. She got 30% here, and here she got 90%. Here she got 70%. Here she got 50%. I want you to notice something. Look, these numbers are in a different format with the figures here. This one are taking date, as you can see here, date. So we want to change this from being date to just a number. We select Takati Pai, we can do the right click. We click format cell, and then we click number, or just a number like this, and then we click OK. You see, because 90, 70, and 50, these all, they are above 50, that's why they're in black. But 30 is less than 50, that's why it is in red. Guys, I just want to thank you for being here. That means you're learning something. Thank you so much for being our faithful learners. Please learn to subscribe, like, and also invite friends, relatives, and your colleagues to learn something on this channel. Until we meet again the next video, I say bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.